Hello, welcome back to the electric bicycle. I got my new Turner G6374 192 kilovolt motor. See the 192. I'm just going to show y'all me soldering a wire onto it so you know I'm doing this all by hand. I have already changed my Turner G ESC fifth scale to a XT90 plug, and obviously the same plugs for the motor so that they coordinate with my brushless motor. Other than that, I'm just basically going to give you a little tutorial, show you how it's going, and hopefully we get this bike up and running soon and actually get to show you the electric bike like all those little British guys on YouTube. So, here we go. Alright, here we go. Just so y'all can see it, I guess, with your own eyes, whatever. So soldering, yeah, is a total pain in the ass, but other than that, this is what you gotta do to get it done. There it goes, it's filling the fitting. And solder. So these are one of my more easy fittings I've ever done, honestly. I'm pretty sure it's hard as hell, but I've already done the other two, and they are definitely soldered, so I'm going to go ahead and let that cool off, and then once we get the rest soldered up, maybe we can try to power this baby on today and see what happens. So, thanks for watching. There's yet another part of the electric bicycle. Got the motor, got the battery, got the ESC. I don't have the battery out. Have my soldering stuff out and whatnot, and hopefully it goes a lot better this next time. Peace out, y'all.